this spreadsheet that I'm presenting now is based on the case problem number 4 from the textbook. And this is about the Greenlaw spreadsheet. And the purpose of this spreadsheet is to track the weekly service calls that they provide your service and maintenance to home. So if you notice the service calls right here, they're from the first week of August. So the first thing that I did, I went to cell A1 and I just typed the Greenlaws right here and I increased the font. In order for this title to be in the center, all I did was just typed it, and then when I was done, I went and I pressed merge center, which was, it was easy to do. Also in here, if you can see the same thing, I went ahead and I clicked merge center for all this to appear in the center, and for all the lines, of the column to disappear, because it merged it and it centered it. Then afterwards, what I came and I went to and I entered all the information of the customer that it was providing in the test, and I did the address also. And if you see the way this is typed, and you see the size, all I did, I alternate enter and increased it. Or also, what you can do an easier way, I went ahead and I just wrapped the text. And I enter the phone information, the last service, the hours, the base fee, the hourly rate, and the charge was not given originally. So that was what the case problem wanted me to do, to find the charge, to use the formulas, the Excel formulas, to find the charge for each customer. So in order to do that, I went ahead and I typed in here in charge equal to E7, which is the hours, and I times it times the hourly rate, which is G7, and it equals to the charge. So it was 3 times 1750, which is equal 5250. And if you can see it here, you can see the formula in this section, which was equals E7 times G7. And I did the same thing to the rest of the customers, as you can see here. E8 times G8, E9 times G9, equal to E10 times G10. And after that, I had to find the total, or the sum right here, of every single customer, the total of the charge. So how I got that, I just used the formula equal sum, and then I type parentheses H7, which is this information right here, to H11, and I got $264.75. So that was easy. It wasn't hard at all to follow. I followed the steps from the textbook, and I was able to accomplish this. After that, I went to the documentation, and all it was asking me to do was just to enter the information and to type the paragraph about Excel formulas, which is the use of Excel formula to decreases the amount of time expend performing simple and complex calculations, such adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. And payroll deduction also. Also, it increases the accuracy of data and reports. And once the formula is entered, the data can be changed, and Excel will automatically recalculate the answer. So this is my presentation for the Greenlaws Excel spreadsheet. I did two, the documentation and the service calls. And it was clear, follow all the directions that it was given by the textbook, and I was able to create the spreadsheet. So I hope you enjoy my presentation, and enjoy. Thanks.